Good morning to all. So this is Alukumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Computer Science Engineering. So now I'm going to tell about algorithms and the building blocks of algorithm in problem solving techniques. So what is an algorithm? First thing. So what is an algorithm? So algorithm is a sequence of instructions so that describe a method for solving a problem, and also it is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. So what are the properties of algorithm? So the algorithm should be written as simple English and acknowledgement, and every instruction should be precise and unambiguous. So the algorithms instruction in algorithm should not be repeated infinitely, and algorithm should be concluded after a finite number of steps, and also the algorithm should have an endpoint. So this the derived results should be obtained only after the algorithm terminates. So in the right side, so what is an algorithms? We will go to input. The input going to like a set of rules to contain or obtain the expected output from the given input. So that is the algorithm. So at the endpoint we have some kind of outputs. Okay. So next thing, the qualities of good algorithm is time, memory, and accuracy. So these are the main functions of an algorithm. So example of algorithm, so we have to write the simple program. So welcome to SNSET. So in a program lines we have only simpler 4 to 5 lines. For example, include a header file, so where the execution of the program begins. In integer main is a main function, we have to just print the welcome to SNSET. So algorithm is first step is start the program, second one print welcome to SNSET, and third is stop. So this is the algorithm. So in a flow chart we have to mention that different kind of notations. The notations will going to represent the working models. So first thing is the start, and then second step is print welcome to SNSET, third step is stop. So this is a simple example for algorithm. So next one, building blocks of algorithms. So algorithm can be constructed from basic building blocks, namely statements, state, and control flow, and functions. So these are the 4 building blocks we used to construct the algorithms. So first one, the statements. So the statement is a single action in a computer. For example, input data and the process data and output data. Second one, state. So the state means the transition from one process to another process, so under specified conditions, so within time is called state. So next one, control flow. The process of executing the individual statement in a given order is called control flow. So the control flow can be executed in 3 ways. So first one, sequence control flow, second one, selection control flow, third one, iteration control flow. So we have the differentiate the control flows in selections, iteration, sequence. Selections means it is named as a true or false condition. So iteration means once it is also true or false condition. Whether the function is true means it's going to end. Whether the function is false means it's going to again start with the beginning. That is the iteration. Sequence means one by one condition. Okay. Okay. So next one, sequence. So the example of sequence, the all the instructions are executed one by one after another is called sequence execution. For example, to find sum of 2 numbers. So in a program like we have 3 integers like ABC. We have to give one sum to A and one sum to B, and the result is going to stored in C. So that's why we are going to use 3 integers in a flow chart. In algorithm, the first thing the problem going to start. The second thing is read equal to A plus B, because we have to 2 integers to add some add. Okay. So next one, C is the next one integer to store the addition of 2 numbers. So we have a plus B. So I compare print or display the C, because after addition sum, the total is going to stored in a C. So that we are going to print or display in the C. So in a flow chart we have to start, read A B, C equal to A plus C condition going to do, and write C means display, and then stop the program. So this is the simple example for sequence. Next one, selection. So selection means it is a true or false condition. It is true means it's going to do some condition, and false means going to do some conditions. Okay. So we have to find the greatest of 2 numbers. So here also we have 2 integers. We have A and B. So A is greater than B or B is greater than A. We have to find out. Okay. So first out we have to start the program, and we have to read the 2 different integers A and B. So if A greater than B, then print A is large. Else, if A is not greater than B means it's going to print B is a large. Okay. Then we are going to stop the program. Okay. So next one, iteration. So iteration means a true or false condition also. It is going to true means going to end the program. It is false means it going to again do with first step. So that here the find the sum of first 5 natural numbers. So we have start the function. So initial count equal to 0, sum equal to 0 again, because we have to store the sum value, right? So that initially we have initial count is 0 and sum equal to 0. First thing, count equal to count plus 1, because 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1 means 1, so we have to into first natural numbers 1. Sum equal to sum plus count, equal to sum means equal to 1 equal to 1 plus 1, because 2. Okay, so it is going to repeat step 3 comma 4 until count like greater than equal to 5. When we are going to count greater than 5, it is going to print the sum value and stop the program. So this is the iteration. Okay, so fourth one is the functions. So function is a subprograms which consist of blocks of code. So if the perform particular task with complex problems, so the problem is being divided into smaller and simple tasks during algorithm design. Benefits of using function means code reuse, reduction in the line of code, and easy to debug and test, Okay, so these are the some algorithms and building blocks of algorithms in problem solving technique. Thank you.